Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Matatag Curriculum, Mathematics, Grade 4, Quarter 1, Lesson 6. Our topic for today is about comparing numbers up to 1 million using equals, less than, and greater than. This is Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Let's start! Learning competencies. First, compare numbers up to 1 million using equals, less than, and greater than. A. Compare numbers up to 1 million using equals, less than, and greater than. B. Ordering numbers up to 1 million in descending or ascending order. Second, rounding numbers to the nearest 100,000. Content. First, comparing numbers up to 1 million using equals, less than, and greater than. Second, ordering numbers up to 1 million in descending or ascending order. Third, rounding numbers to the nearest 100,000. Day 1. Subtopic number 1. Comparing numbers up to 1 million using equals, less than, and greater than. Let's have a short review. Identify the highest place value and the corresponding digit in the highest place value of a given number. Here's numbers 1 to 5. And here's the answer. In our previous lesson, we explored reading and writing whole numbers up to 1 million and determining a digit's place value and value in a given number. These lessons are related to our next one. Unlocking content vocabulary. Comparing numbers. Determines if a number is less than, greater than, or equal to another based on their values. In math, the symbols used to compare numbers are for less than, for greater than, and for equal. Ordering numbers means arranging the numbers from least to greatest or ascending and the greatest to least or descending. Rounding numbers is like finding the closest whole number to the actual number. It is an approximation to their original value. Now, let me ask you, who among you loves fruits? What is your favorite fruit and why? What health benefits can we gain from eating fruits? Fruits are very nutritious, so they are good for our health. Our bodies need the nutrients they provide to stay strong and healthy. Fruits can keep us away from disease. Let us compare each of the fruits based on their given weight. Activity number 1, which is heavier? Which fruit is heavier? Number 1, banana 300 grams and watermelon 1,200 grams. Number 2, apple 250 grams and lime 40 grams. Number 3, strawberry 11 grams and kiwi 55 grams. Number 4, cherry 9 grams and guava 60 grams. Number 5, pineapple 650 grams and jackfruit 3,500 grams. Number 6, sugar apple 200 grams and coconut 937 grams. Note, the given weight is the weight of one piece of fruit. When we compare different objects, we can compare them based on their attributes or characteristics like weight, texture, size, color, taste, price, etc. In our activity, we compared the weight of each fruit in grams. Since we used the same unit, we could compare the numbers based on their value. Now, here are the answers. Number 1, watermelon. Number 2, apple. Number 3, kiwi. Number 4, guava. Number 5, jackfruit. And number 6, coconut. Comparing numbers determines if a number is less than, greater than, or equal to another based on their values. In math, the symbols used to compare numbers are for less than, for greater than, and for equal to. Let's have some worked example. Set A. Let us compare again the weight of these fruits. This time, we will use the mathematical symbols less than, greater than, and equal. And here's the answer for numbers 1 to 6. Set B, rewrite the numbers in the place value chart below, then compare them using the symbols less than, greater than, and equal. Number 1, 245,202 blank 254,291. Since the given numbers have the same number of digits and their highest place is 100,000, we compare their digits from the leftmost part. Both have the digit 2 in the 100,000 places. The next place value is 10,000 places. Digit 4 is less than digit 5. Hence, 245,202 is less than 254,291. Number 2, 115,936 blank 82,776. The given numbers do not have the same number of digits. In 115,936, the digits go further to the left, with 100,000 as the highest place value. In 82,776, the highest place value is 10,000. Therefore, 115,936 is greater than 82,776. Number 3, 1,000,000 blank 812,645. Similar to number 2, the given numbers do not have the same number of digits. In 1,000,000, the digits go further to the left, with millions as the highest place value. In 812,645, the highest place value is 100,000. Therefore, 1,000,000 is greater than 812,645. Number 4, 78,934 blank 78,934. It can be noticed that the given have the same number of digits, with their highest place value being 10,000. More so, all their digits are the same, hence they are equal. Number 5, 772,025 blank 772,205. Similar to number 1, the given numbers have the same number of digits. Their highest place is 100,000. We compare their digits starting from the leftmost part. Both have the digits 7, 7, and 2. In the 100,000, 10,000, and thousands of places, respectively. The next place value is hundreds place. Digit 0 is less than digit 2. Hence, 772,025 is less than 772,205. Based on the examples, how do we compare whole numbers? A. If they have different numbers of digits, the number with more digits is larger. B. If they have the same number of digits, compare them digit by digit from left to right. Keep comparing digits with the same place value until they are different. The number with the greater value is the greater number. Set C. Let us answer the following word problems about comparing numbers. Number 1, according to the Philippine Statistics Authority or PSA, the population of the city of San Fernando in 2020 was 354,666, while the population of Mabalacat City in the same year was 293,244. Which of the two cities in Pampanga had the larger population in 2020? The answer, City of San Fernando with 354,666 is greater than Mabalacat City with 293,244. Number 2, the Philippines is made up of 7,641 islands, while Indonesia consists of 17,508 islands. Which of the two Asian countries has more islands? The answer, Philippines with 7,641 is less than Indonesia with 17,508. Day 2. Ordering numbers up to 1 million. Lesson activity. Compare each pair of numbers using less than, greater than, or equal. Here's numbers 1 to 5. And here are the answers for letter A. Letter B, read the following word problems, then answer the questions that follow. Number 1, School A had 38,492 students in 2023, while School B has 37,536 students in the same year. Which school had a bigger student population in 2023? Number 2, Rafa intends to buy a laptop for his online class. Brand X costs 45,449 pesos, while Brand Y costs 49,999 pesos. Which laptop is more affordable? Here's the answer. For number 1, School A, and number 2, Brand X. Activity number 1, arrange yourselves. Number 1, criteria on how you should arrange yourselves will begin. Number 2, line up based on the arrangement required. Number 3, the group that arranges themselves the fastest will receive 1 point. Number 4, the group with the most points at the end will be the winner. You will be given a maximum of 10 seconds to arrange yourselves. Let us start. Arrange yourselves according to the following. Wait for your teacher's signal. Worked example. Ordering numbers means arranging the numbers from least to greatest or ascending and greatest to least or descending. Let us have an activity about ordering or arranging numbers. Activity number 2, complete the chart below by filling in the number that belongs in each place. Then, arrange them from A, least to greatest, and B, greatest to least. And here's the answer. Arrangement from least to greatest or ascending, and arrangement from greatest to least, descending. Activity number 3, arrange the following in ascending order. We have A, B, and C. And arrange the following in descending order. We also have A, B, and C. And here are the answers. Activity number 4, read the word problems, then answer the questions that follow. Number 1, Theon loves reading books, so he keeps a record of all the books he reads every quarter and the number of pages each book has. For the first quarter of 2024, he read the Harry Potter books. Here is the list. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, 309 pages. Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, 352 pages. Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, 435 pages. Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, 734 pages. Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix, 912 pages. Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, 652 pages. And Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, 759 pages. How will the arrangement be if he wants to put these books in ascending order as to the number of pages? And here's the answer. Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, Harry Potter and the Prisoners of Azkaban, Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows, and Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. Number 2, 5 friends saved money from their 1-year allowance because they plan to donate it to Bahay Pag-ibig. Below are their savings. Rafa, 1,542 pesos. Theon, 1,500 pesos. Kelvin, 1,600 pesos. June, 1,525 pesos. And Kenneth, 1,800 pesos. Who has the most savings? The answer, Kenneth. Arrange the names according to the amount saved in descending order. The answer, Kenneth, Kelvin, Rafa, June, and Theon. Let's have another lesson activity. A. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Write numbers 1 to 4 below each number, with 1 having the smallest value. Here's numbers 1 to 5. B. Arrange the following in descending order. Rewrite them on the space provided. Here's numbers 1 to 5. C. Read the word problems, then answer the questions that follow. Number 1. Below are the names of the top 5 tallest mountains in the world. Arrange them according to their height in descending order. K2, 8,611 meters. Lhotse, 8,516 meters. Mount Everest, 8,849 meters. Kangchenjunga, 8,586 meters, and Makalu with 8,485 meters. Number 2, there are 16 cities with the smallest populations in the world. According to the website The Travel, some of these cities include Wurdenberg, Switzerland with 41,284 population, San Marino with 33,626, Monaco with 36,217, Jericho, West Bank with 19,783, and Vaduz, Liechtenstein with 5,818. Population. Arrange the names of these countries according to their population in ascending order. And here are the answers: A, B, and C. Day 3. Subtopic number 3. Rounding numbers to the nearest 100,000s. Read and analyze the given word problem. Miss Gomez would like to bake a cake as a birthday giveaway. She is expecting 26 visitors. She needs small boxes for the cakes. The boxes are sold in packages of 10. How many packages should she buy? Consider the following scenarios. If Miss Gomez buys 2 packages of 10 each, she will have 20 small boxes and 6 cakes will have no boxes. If she buys 3 packages of 10 each, she will have 30 small boxes and all 26 cakes will have boxes. There will be 4 extra boxes. If you were Miss Gomez, what would you buy? The answer, 3 packages. Using a number line, 26 is closer to 30 than to 20. Hence, 26 rounds to 30. In this case, we replace the number with its nearest multiple of 10. Again, 26 is closer to 30 than 20. Hence, 26 rounds to 30. That is what we called rounding numbers. Rounding numbers involves finding the closest whole number to the actual number. It is an approximation to the original value. When rounding numbers, we can either round up or round down, depending on the nearest digit of the place value to be rounded. That is, round up. When the digit to the right of the rounding digit is 5 to 9, we add 1 to the rounding digit. This is called rounding up. Example number 1. Round 38,612 to the nearest thousand. First, find the thousands place. That's the 8. Second, look at the number to its right. That's the 6, hundreds place. Third, if the number is 5 or more, add 1 to the thousands digit. 4, if it's 4 or less, keep it the same. Since 6 is more than 5, we add 1 to 8. That makes it 9. So 38 becomes 39. Now, change the rest to zeros. So, 38,612 rounded to the nearest thousand is 39,000. Example number 2. Round 195,248 to the nearest 10,000. First, find the 10,000's place. That's the 9. Second, look at the number to its right. That's the 5 in thousands place. Third, if the number is 5 or more, add 1 to the 10,000's digit. 4, if it's 4 or less, keep it the same. Since 5 is 5 or more, we add 1 to 19. That's become 20. Change the rest of the digits to zeros. So, 195,248 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is 200,000. Example number 3. Round 475,026 to the nearest 100,000. First, find the 100,000's place. That's the 4. Second, look at the number to its right. That's the 7 in 10,000's place. Third, if the number is 5 or more, add 1 to the 100,000's digit. Fourth, if it's 4 or less, keep it the same. Since 7 is more than 5, we add 1 to 4. That becomes 5. Change the rest of the digits to zeros. So, 475,026 rounded to the nearest 100,000 is 500,000. When rounding numbers, we can either round up or round down, depending on the nearest digit of the place value to be rounded. Now, let's talk about round down. When the digit to the right of the rounding digit is 0 to 4, we retain the rounding digit. This is called rounding down. Example number 1. Round 172,975 to the nearest 10,000. First, find the 10,000's place. That's the 7. Second, look at the number to its right. That's the 2 in thousands place. Third, if the number is 5 or more, add 1. If it's 4 or less, keep it the same. Since 2 is less than 5, we keep 17 the same. Change the rest of the digits to zeros. So, 172,975 rounded to the nearest 10,000 is 170,000. Example number 2. Round 56,428 to the nearest 1,000. First, find the thousands place. That's the 6. Second, look at the number to its right. That's the 4 in hundreds place. Third, if the number is 5 or more, add 1. If it's 4 or less, keep it the same. Since 4 is less than 5, we keep 56 the same. Change the rest of the digits to zeros. So, 56,428 rounded to the nearest 1,000 is 56,000. Example number 3. Round 919,317 to the nearest 100,000. First, find the 100,000's place. That's the 9. Second, look at the number to its right. That's the 1 in 10,000's place. Third, if the number is 5 or more, add 1. If it's 4 or less, keep it the same. Since 1 is less than 5, we keep the 9 the same. Change the rest of the digits to zeros. So, 919,317 rounded to the nearest 100,000 is 900,000. So, based on these examples, how do we round whole numbers? To round a whole number, first, identify the rounding digit. Second, look at the digit to the right of the rounding digit. Third, if the digit to the right of the rounding digit is 5 or above, add 1 and replace all the digits to its right with zeros. Fourth, if the digit to the right of the rounding digit is less than 5, retain it, then replace all the digits to its right with zeros. Word problems on rounding numbers. Do what is asked. Number 1, the San Jose National High School has a population of 26,147 students in 2024. Round the number to the nearest 1,000. The answer is 26,000. Number 2, according to the Department of Agriculture, 163,189 kilograms of vegetables were sold in January 2024, assisting 93 farmers from the provinces of Mount Province, Benguet, and Ifugao. Round the underlined number to the nearest 100,000. The answer is 200,000. Lesson activity. Complete the table. For column 1, we have whole number. So you're going to round to the nearest 100,000, 10,000, and 1,000. B. Read the following word problems and do what is asked. Number 1, according to the Philippine Statistic Authority or PSA, the population of Mexico Pampanga in 2020 was 173,400. Round the number to the nearest 100,000. Number 2, a non-government organization received a total donation of 982,825 for its back-to-school program. Round the given amount to the nearest 10,000. And here are the answers. Learners' takeaways. The teacher will guide the pupils in completing this table. Reflection on learning. Give instances of using the skills of comparing, ordering, and rounding numbers in real-life situations. When shopping, we often compare prices and choose the most cost-effective option. We compare different outfits depending on the weather, occasion, and comfort. When we decide on what to eat, we compare the nutritional value, taste, and cost. When planning an event, we estimate the number of visitors or guests to ensure we have enough food and accommodation. And when buying supplies, we estimate the quantity of supplies we need considering our budget. Day 5. Formative assessment. Test A, compare the following using the symbols less than, greater than, or equal. Here's numbers 1 to 5. Test B, arrange the numbers in ascending order. Here's numbers 1 to 3. Test C, arrange the numbers in descending order. Here's numbers 1 to 3. Test D, round the numbers to the nearest blank. Here's numbers 1 to 4. For test E, read the following problems, do what is asked. Here's numbers 1 and 2. Number 3 and 4. And here's number 5 and 6. And here are the answers for A, B, and C. D and E. Maraming salamat sa panonood! Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!